What is sat lost and go, guys? Come on. In this video I will show you exactly how I wrap up the year with a very huge loss. Yeah, a very crazy huge loss after consecutive wins, a winning streak from mid-November till very end, and as at 30th I had a very huge loss. I'll walk you through what I did wrong, how I went about it, and what you should learn from that, so that you don't make the same mistake in this 2026. Because I have found out what I did wrong, and of course I'm putting it out there so you can learn from my mistake and don't do same as well. Thank you, and watch the video to the end. Bye for now. All right, so welcome back everybody. Just like I said earlier, I'm going to put you through exactly what I did wrong, my huge loss I had on December 30th 2025, and what I did wrong. I find out that this is things I did wrong and why I had that crazy huge loss after consecutive wins. We had the one I could still remember. We used to have winning streak though. The one I could still remember was the tending towards September. We had a winning streak from September to November. It was a 2 months winning streak, and after then mid-November we begin to have some losses, and we pick it up around mid-November again. From mid-November down to December 30th, it was a crazy win. Few losses were no loss. Either we close or anything, that's it. We don't have any loss. And then as at December 30th, I pick up a trade. As I'm actually a swing trader. I'm a day intraday trader. A swing, and I always call myself, I'm not a day trader actually, because I actually don't close my trade for the day. So I'm not really a day trader. I see myself as a swing trader because I could hold trade for as long as 2, 3, 4, 5 days. In a week, I trade for like 2, 3 days in a week, and that 2 days, I pick trades, 2 to 3 trades I pick. In a week I can pick 2 to 3 trades. If one trade will last me for 2 to 3 days, I could be fine for that week. So if that trade closes the next day, that's 2 days. If you see any opportunity in a week again, I'll pick that, and that could take me to the next following week. So virtually in a week I pick up around 2 to averagely 2 to 3 trades, and I can hold them for 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've called the elder trade before. I will show you my 2025 recap in another video where I'll show you everything, how I did everything separately on that, as is another video for that. I've heard the trade for like 6, 7 days before. That was a crazy, and I end up making just little profits because of what I was seeing later on, the candlesticks pointing. I wasn't too sure about it, about the movement will continue, stuff like that. So I'll show you that later in the next video. So this one is for why why I did that. I had a very huge a sad loss on 30th of December that broke me so much. If I had made that money, oh my god, New Year will have made a super pumping one. Everybody giveaway here and there and lots more. But I had a huge loss, and I'll show you. I'll show you. Come to my system and put it to one or two things and show you why I lost that trade. I think it was just an oversight. At times it happens when your wins will overwhelm your head, and you just assumed you are. That's why we always say that. Sometimes don't let overconfidence comes to you, because it will sometimes market just when it will humble you. You will not expect it. You will have assumed that I can't be at this level. By the time to just humble, just like someone climbing a ladder, and the ladder is shaking and it's not bringing a person down. By the time the person gets to the top and thinking, oh yeah, the ladder just got broken, and then he find himself on the ground, shattered and all, So that's exactly how the market does. That's how the market works. Sometimes you just feel, oh, you are overconfident, we just overwhelmed you, and everything, without taking notice that, without being concerned about some stuff like that. So it happens like that, and of course, I had a very good one. It's painful, but of course, I built the profit to some extent, so it was just cut away some of my profits and all like that. So we have been winning streak since mid-November and down, but the loss actually pain because of what the oversight actually. If it were not to be oversight, if it were to be something normal, I would have accepted it, because I didn't see it clearly. It was an oversight. I will show you in my chart vividly and how you shouldn't do that in your next trading, and more jolly in your this new 2026, because this is going to be a very crazy flourish and open doors year for every one of us to make money and be profitable in this game. I'm not talking to somebody. So I'm going to be probably showing you my screen now so you can learn from my mistake, from my huge sad loss. And the losses can, of course, can see it above. From the losses, you can see it same above. So it's a crazy one for me. That kind of loss was quite huge because I can't remember the last time I had a kind of loss. You know, when you are not used to something, probably 4 months, 5 months later, you had losses, and then a couple of months goes, you go on a winning streak again. You know, that kind of stuff will weigh you. It's not something frequent. It's not something you get used to. So I started to put it out there, and so you can see my losses side of it, and the wins and my losses side of the game. So I hope you will learn something from this lesson, and of course, you don't try that again in this next trading. So watch into my tutorial right now. I'm going to put it in my system now so you can learn from this. Thank you, and endeavor to watch to the end and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. God bless you guys. Cheers. Peace out. I promised I'm going to be showing you how I wrap up the year with a huge loss. It was a crazy loss for me. Of course, you can see it. I show you guys it was a crazy loss after a crazy winning streak from November, mid-November till this very moment, till December 30th. I had a huge loss on 30, which has never happened before. I've been having these crazy winning streaks from then. And we also had a winning streak, I think, around September to October. 2 months, straight 2 month winning streak as well. 2 months until we first week of November we lost. We had a couple of losses, and then we pick it up again mid-November till today, which is 30th of December. It was a crazy loss from my part. So I'm going to be showing you what I did wrong and what I noticed that went wrong in my analysis and why you shouldn't do the same. I'm putting it out there so you guys can learn from me. And of course, so you don't make the mistake I made and you don't do the same thing I did wrong. So you can take a better and the right direction, the right route in the market. What I noticed, one of the pair I picked was Euro USD. This was totally a wrong one for me. But at times, if you are winning and winning overconfidence in the times, at times it just overwhelms you, and you just think you are the masters of all. You are the king in the market. You know it happens. It's normal. We are human beings. Once you keep seeing wins, 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 you just like any small setup, you begin to let me buy, let me sell. I mean, nothing's going to, maybe I didn't see it well, or the winning streaks has overwhelmed me. I didn't see it until later, and I saw it. Oh, this is wrong. Why should I have bought? Yeah, why? This is wrong. Because I usually take high probable setup. That's why I don't take loss like that. I don't really take losses because I come to the market for the new week, and of course you should always know from the market, from the buyers. We used to give you guys when we come to the market over the weekend and give you guys our market buyers for the new week. You should see that everything comes clean and always in our direction. Because of what I come into the market to look for clean trade, high probable setup, and those are the one I go for. In the week, I can pick 2 to 3. I can trade 2 to 3 times, or once I can hold it 2 other week, and I'll make 400, 500 pips or so. That's all. So I made a huge mistake, and I think the overconfidence overwhelmed me because I've been having another winning streak since mid-November 2025 till 30th December 2025, and a huge loss came on me. And why was it? Was I doubled down too early as well because I was so sure this is a good setup, man. I was able to make crazy. If I've made that money, it's gonna be a crazy one, and of course, people will be flying here and there. So let me show you what I did wrong and what I think you should not do next time. Of course, this, imagine, you can remember very well, before the week of New Year, I told you guys I was willing to sell, I was willing to buy at this point. You heard the last time we had a buy was here, and I went to go and buy here, guys. I bought here, guys. I bought here. I bought here. Let me show you. I bought here, guys. I don't know what came about me. Maybe I was looking at this. I was looking at this last existence here, and of course, I was hoping that of course there should be a reaction. I bought one, and when I saw this shape. I bought around here. I bought here. I still had more positions when the market was here. I still started buying until it got to this point. I was like, what's going on? 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 Until here. Then push. I have to come out, opt out. Push. I knew that this market is not a good buy again. So I was when it got here, I was still holding, I was still confident until it got to something around here. I just have to opt out and accept my loss that no, this is not it. This is out of it. I was wrong. I had to accept my loss and opt out from the market. I had to say it was a crazy huge loss. Crazy one. Let me show you what I saw. Remember I told you I was betting this thing to do a double top. After this, can you see this engulf, this pin bar? I was so happy when I saw this. This is a good one. This candle rejecting this cycle level. The last time he rejected, he bought. Last time he rejected, he bought. So, and then whenever he rejected above here, he sold. So I was happy when I saw this. So the second one, while I was still holding workshop, the second one also, I wanted to what? To still reject again and give me double what? Pin bar on my cycle level. I'll be much more confident. If that thing happens, I'm sure it will never be sold. It will, if we have sold, definitely something is wrong. Because 90% out of that would definitely buy. So it never sold. But it never gave me, so when it came here, I was explaining, let me wait for the candle to close. In fact, I had to wait for daily to close. And the daily closed around this point. I was still, what's going on? What's going on? So if this one has closed with another pin bar with this pin of my cycle level here, it will definitely buy. I would have made crazy because I doubled down a lot. All of my account, I put this trade. Everything. Some that I'm in crazy profit. The profit has to reduce about 10% has to reduce. I form some 5%. I double down crazily. I still has to reduce. So and that is it, guys. So it went back and then versus. Let me show you from my entry, my main entry on 15-minute time frame. Let me show you where I got my first entry and everything like that. Yeah, I started adding more positions when market. I got some entries around here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, I think yeah, I got some entries around here. No, is it okay? No, I waited it to come here. Wait, let me see. Yes, when market. I think I got some entries around here. Then I added more positions. When market start from here, this engulfed 1 2 bars. I was happy. With test, I entered everything. I was really happy that this is it. So I was going to put myself first here that this is it. After this market retest and engulf this 2 bar, 1 2, this pin only one engulf these two. I was so happy that no. The buyers began and I was increasing profit already. I was moving. Until it got here, I knew that our market may respect this resistance, this last resistance here. Then we test again. Then with test, I was expecting was just to come and stop here, to come and create a level with this one, and then finally buys. That was my analysis, and that was what I was expecting from the market based on the the antecedent I've seen so far in the market. So with the market carry come, I knew, oh, this market is still coming down. Oh shit! I knew, voila, I was willing to. I've reached so high, and I was willing to because I knew it's gonna be a good outcome, and the end of the day. So at the end of the day, it kept coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. When it came to this point, I was happy and I saw this good grade. I was expecting to still to start going at that. It came down again. What the fuck is this? Came down again. What the fuck? I wasn't happy when I was seeing all of this shit. I was still holding. I was still holding. I held this trade for about up to 24 hours or up to 18 hours. I guess I must tell you. I keep holding. I keep holding. I keep holding. When he did this shit, this one I was happy again. When he did this one, I was happy again. When it's down to this one, did this one again, I was already, oh my gosh. I think after that one, yeah, yes. You think this one closed below this? Can you see now? This one closed below this, and that one opened again. I just opted out. Oh, this shit. I just opted out. My stop loss was still around, but I opted out. It's crazy. I can't afford to. Yeah, I just have to opt out. Came back as if he still want to buy, then sold, then blah 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 blah. Then that was how it kept going. I was like, whoa, shit, I missed it. It was a huge loss for me. Aside from that, let me now show you why I lost this trade. Remember, I used what? Daily. I used daily. I used daily a lot. I come from daily. And from analysis, I said I'm willing to buy here, share, right? And I went to I had to go and buy. Maybe because of the festives, or I want to make money for the festive, I want to give away, or I don't know, or the overwhelming of the profit I've been making. Sometimes you just your head just overflows and just feel so confident as if you are the owner of the market. You've been winning back to back, any trade, win. It now appear as if you are the one that dictate the market. Whenever you say buy, the market will buy now. Whenever you say sell, you must sell. So it doesn't even go against you anymore. You are used to it. So that kind of stuff happens at times. That's why you just have to keep checking yourself. Am I really, am I still in check? Am I being overconfident right now? So you need to just need to check out for yourself and put yourself in the proper place because all these things happen. We are human beings. Any small wins, we get to our head, and from there we get to misbehave or something may happen, and we make one decision. So for me, what I make was just a one decision. Even at my daily here, it's not too clear enough. Daily should not. With what I'm seeing on daily, with this candlestick, I told you guys that candlestick speaks the language. and you must be able to interpret those languages. Am I talking to somebody? He speaks German, he speaks Portuguese, French, um, English, speak different languages. You must be able to what, interpret and decode those languages the mechanistic is speaking. Then you execute your trade. So with what I'm saying on daily save, it's not even likely good. It's not good enough. It's not good. I expect this market to come down here. And when it's come down here, that's when I'll be so confident to buy. Even the buying, I'll still wait for to see candlestick confirmation. Am I talking to somebody? So I was wrong aside from that. I was wrong because of what? Another major one was this pin bar. Can you see this pin bar? This pin bar means rejection. This means what? This is the highest. Let's see. Let's check. Let's see. This is the highest and something. This is the next highest. Can you see? After this high, which is jetted to this level, this is the next one. This, this, and this. That's like what? This that's at least that's what? One, two, three, four, five. Which means that what that level is even stronger than this level. Five rejections happened at that level, and I was ready to buy above it. Can you imagine? Means that shows that what this level must be taken out to confidently say that what this buy is still valid. If it doesn't take this level out, this is not valid yet. It's not still a sure guarantee yet. And that level also shows what a bit of a double bottom here. So I shouldn't be expecting what a buy at this point at all, even though there is a level here, the market might want to respect this resistance and then buy. I have because the market has been high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, high, lower, low, just as usual. But this was the last higher low. I should have known that this is the last higher high. This one wasn't even an higher high. This market got here and rejected. This was not an higher high. I thought this was high because I didn't see this pin. Let me do it for you. I didn't see this pin. This baby, I didn't see it at all. Can you see? I didn't see this baby at all. Can you see? I didn't see it at all. I was so overwhelmed that I'm gonna come here, higher high, then let's go. This is what higher low, then let's go. No, I didn't see that. I've seen this baby as well. That's another furthermore mistake I made. Overwhelming, overconfident, when you be taking trades over and all, but I'm in a back to back crazy wins, you be making a lot of money, and you just think you are top of the market, nothing can happen. That is what happened. So I didn't even see this. It was an oversight for me. I didn't see this at all until market just until I lost and I go back. Oh my gosh, what's this? Gosh, what's this? And I realized that what? And I realized that I was actually wrong. That was actually wrong. That was how I lost. I lost that shit, man. I lost that trade. That was how I lost that trade. So that was exactly how I lost that. I hope you learned something from it, guys. That was exactly how I lost it. So now this market is what is still going to come down here. This is the point. When it comes down, this is why I'll be confident to buy. The buy might last to this point or back to this point. But it's definitely react once it comes here. I'm willing to buy at this point only, which I said earlier when I was doing market outlook over the weekend, trying to give our market direction for the new week. I was planning to buy here, but within the week, I now went to maybe I was all in a hurry to make money, and I went to go and buy here. That was how I lost. The loss was crazy. The loss was crazy. It was so huge on me. So I have to come here to put it out so that you guys can learn from my mistake. And whenever you also have a winning streak and you think, oh, you're on the top of the market, please always check back, check yourself, and check yourself very well. Okay, check yourself very well so that you don't make same mistake. You don't make same mistake. Just like I did. It will be very, very painful, man. It was very painful actually, but we have to go, and of course we go on, guys. So nothing bad. I've made up money, so and of course the loss that came on just a fraction from what I have made, so I'll make it back. So that is it, guys. So I hope you learned one or two things today. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please follow us. Share this video to your friends and let them learn as well. Let them pick up this mistake I did. So you guys don't do the same because the sky is too wide. It's too big for everybody to fly and make money. So why should I not put something like this out for you so that you guys can learn and of course adjust yourself in any necessary way that you need to do. Okay, am I talking to somebody? So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video and comment. Let me know from your end your own what you the mistake that cost you, just like this one, cost me. It was the end of the year mistake. Let me know the mistake that cost you, or the pair that cost you, or of your own mistake that you had over the years. Thank you for joining me once again, guys. I will appreciate if you can subscribe and of course share this video, comment. Let's know if I have a comment. Any of our team will definitely reply to you and send you a mail. So for as many that want that need the what we call the template for candlestick entering template confirmation, so as to know when candlestick are speaking a language, we have a template for it. You can comment candlestick on this video now, so any of our support can send it to you. Thank you so much once again, guys, and have a wonderful and profitable week ahead. I wish you an amazing, happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.